old friends.
Woo! MJ!
We're not talk about the
Parang boss, di ba sa atin? Sa SOP.
Do it!
Go na!
Someday
Lalaki yan eh.
I never need for more than reminiscence. Maybe this time you will love and they'll find. Maybe now they can do more than just
Tama
friends.
naman, di ba?
Ano ka SP yan?
She's living his life, and it feels so right. Maybe this time, love won't end.
Woo! Upload na yan! Best rendition ever.